We have three options to choose from when we want to make a backup. But first we need to go to settings, scroll down in the settings and choose accounts and backup. And here we have all these three options. We have Samsung Cloud. We can go to backup data over here in order to use our Samsung account to create a backup. Here we can choose what we want to backup, and then if you choose whatever you want to use, then you should be able to use this backup now option. Besides that, we can also use Google Drive, which looks like this. Let me actually turn it off first. So most likely you will see this menu first, where we can choose to create backup of photos and videos, as well as other device data, and you can press confirm in order to proceed. Then we should see that the backup is on. So if you go to manage backup, over here you can also manually create the backup immediately. And if you have a USB device or a storage in general, external storage, then we can choose external storage transfer. And then if you connect it, you should be able to choose backup now from here. And that is all. Check out this playlist to find more guides, like, comment, subscribe.